kasi yun na ano dapat. Pero feeling ko hindi ito mag-work. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Nauna pa sa akin, magbuga.
Buga mo.
Sunog na ako mamaya sa kuya.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Ang tire pressure, mas mababa tayo ngayon. So, pag out mo, warm up the tires. Pagpasok mo dyan, semi-hot lap, do not do a hot lap. Segment to properly get to the proper temps. Mamaya ka na mag-optimal lap para makakuha ko data. Okay? Testing muna, get a feel of the car. One hot lap and then one semi-hot lap. Para pagdating nyo dito, I can check the tire temperatures. Ito sunod, hot lap na yan. So now we're getting our tools arrived. So we have a new race engineer on board. He's not from here, and he wants data from our team. And one of the main data that we need are the tire temperatures and the tire pressures before and after we do the runs, the hot laps. And based on that, we can still do more adjustments. Dito. Ako muna. The tire pressures and temperatures are very crucial in racing, and there are optimal and minimum temperatures for a tire for them to be at their optimal grip. So when you reach a certain temperature, when you get over that, then the quality of grip degrades. So we want to be on that sweet spot all the time. So that's why adjusting cambers and toe and things like that based on the data that you get on the track will be able to make us do better adjustments to keep that optimal tire temperature on point for a longer time.
Nakatakbo naman tayo kanina, pero kinulangan tayo ng panahon again kasi umulan na naman. Tapos kinulang tayo ng time this afternoon. So next week na lang tayo mag-shakedown ng mag-practice ulit. Yeah, but we did a shakedown today. So far, the coach is okay din talaga. I think we're gonna have our practice on the 17th. Then on the 19th, it's gonna be a time attack race. And on the Sunday, we're gonna do the Super Touring Festival. It's also a race under Don Pastor Academy. Yeah, we are trying to prep actually 3 races. On 19, we have the time attack. On 28, we have the Super Touring Festival. And on a week after that, we're gonna have the FTW in Batangas again. Probably that's gonna be the last race for this year. Then next season is another. Tumae. Hindi natatapos yung pagkatae nun.
Yeah, so today we have Wuji and Marbel. They brought the Supra and the 86. We're gonna continue our level 1 racing race form academy.
At least siguro I would say 50% I hit na.
Yeah.
I hit na most of the apex na. Yeah.
Wala ko kasi mababa. So hanggang sa pag-ano kasi, tumataas ang ceiling.
Kaya mas mukhang malaki to. Done deal tayo. Alright, boss. Thank you.
Alam mo na yung number ko, no? Email at meron na, no?
Yes, ako yung sabi ko sa if I can call. Okay, boss. Thank you po. Thank you.